Welcome to Makuku Gardens. Makuku Gardens, we are located in Mpigi, on Mpigi Kasanje Road, just half a kilometer from Masaka Road. This is Makuku Gardens, where you'll find ornamental birds, where you see rare species of herbs. In background there, we have albino rats, we have guinea pigs, we have silky birds, Polish birds, quill birds, rabbits. Wow, many. What inspired me is as our generation grows, as a parent, I'm a parent and a grandparent, as our generation grow, they have missed many of the they have missed seeing these animals we used to see when we were young. You find most of these people, they study these in classes, but they don't have a chance of seeing them practically. I'm an environment by nature. I love nature. We are these days we are mentally challenged. We are stressed and depressed. When you come and look at these ornamental birds, you feel relaxed. You feel happy. When you are with your spouse, with your children, with your grandchildren, you come and look at these ornamental, you feel relaxed. These are rare birds, rare animals around in Mpigi here. Come and visit us, and you will love nature. This one, we rear them. They are edible, very edible, but also they are used for researchers, medical research, when they are testing some medicines. So people come for them to buy them from here when they are doing medical research. But also students and people come to see what the guinea pigs are. I inspire other people to know Uganda is a tourist country. Uganda is gifted by nature. These are simple things where we can contribute to our motherland Uganda by doing something simple to encourage tourism, to like a tourism, to make people in your area like a tourism. So I encourage others. If you see some of the species, animal species, bird species, plant species, which are almost becoming endangered, please preserve them. Allow other people to learn from them. You will feel happy. I feel happy as a person who is involved in this agro tour, in these ornamental birds. But I also feel happy when I see people coming to tour to see these things which have the origins in Uganda. I encourage the younger generation, the Gen Zs, that when you look around you, there is nature. Tame them, like them, and slowly people will come and visit. People will come and do research. They will contribute something, they give you something you'll have added to your well-being and the well-being of the country. So, please, whenever you see nature, like it, make it business. Here at Makuku Gardens, we have B&B houses. They are houses where researchers come and stay. People who want to sleep out, to relax, come and stay. When they stay here and they visit these ornamental, you see them more relaxed. So people who come and do functions here, weddings, seminars, they have a chance. At least we give a bonus, we allow at least 2 or 4 people to watch for free. Otherwise, to watch these animals, just you contribute something little, 5,000 for adults and 2,000 for children.